Welcome back, y'all. So today is Sunday, April 30th. It's raining outside, so we're gonna get real productive inside. I got a couple things I need to do. I need to clean my room. I need to do a couple work schedules. I need to go to the bank. I'm definitely going to the gym. I have a TikTok that I want to record, and I know there's more stuff, but we're just gonna go through the day as we go. I do have clips from last time I recorded of me, like, you know, doing stuff that I'm just gonna insert into this vlog. I ain't gonna do too much talking. We're gonna get right into it. Let's go.
Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, fuck your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm tryna keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, unlike your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Alright, what up, y'all? So right now we are at the gym. It is 2 o'clock on the dot, literally. I never brought y'all to the gym before just because I'm a scary little bitch, but we're gonna try it today. We're gonna see if I got enough confidence to put this camera up. So we about to go in right now, and I'll show y'all once we get in there.
Yeah. Up in Lexus like it's 07, I just hit a lick, gotta hit the next one. Last year I know you learned your lesson, I could GPS you if you need a dressing. Just saw about a bigger homie, but I'm 1 year older than my little homie. 09, it was spitting on me, but I'm young, money got it written on me. Okay, now we got some action. Everything I said it happened. That boy light is Michael Jackson. But on verses he been blacking. Chasing women a distraction. They will be on TV right next to me. You cannot be here right next to me. Right next to me. I hate a rapper especially. They feel the same but they hide it. They just discuss it in private. Don't get along, man, we tried it. What's the point in even trying? I hate a goofy especially. They always dying to mention me. They gotta die out eventually. I cannot give you the recipe. You know the game is so separately. Swear I just had an epiphany. It cost me 50 at Tiffany's. Shout out to Tiffany.
So I've been like real consistent. I don't take no credit. I give all credit to my bro Reese. That's my trainer. He taught me everything that I know. Shout out to him. Alright, y'all, so I'm beat. I'm about to head home and finish all the other stuff that I got planned for the day. Alright, y'all, so I am back in the house now. I just finished my Chipotle. Yeah, I know I love me some Chipotle. And the thing is, I get the same thing every time. I get a quesadilla. And then this protein shake. Thing about protein shakes, they be good, but they be putting too much protein in it, so then they start tasting milkshakey. I don't know if that makes sense. But so what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to take my hair out. I'm tired, I'm over it, and I'm gonna feel my scalp. So only plus thing about, you know, taking braids out now is I can cut it real low because, you know, I'm bald headed now. I'm still scared though, so we gonna cut it right here. I know my hair not this long, but wait. But I think I want to start doing like visual diaries. Cause you know, whenever I record videos and I'm sitting there like talking and stuff, people be telling me like, you know, that'd be like they favorite part, like, cause they could relate and stuff like that. So I guess my trauma could help somebody else. I guess I'll just update y'all on life. So life, I don't know, like it's so hard to decipher a bad day and a bad life for real, because it's just like multiple bad days back to back make you feel like, all right, life sucks for real. But it's like not every day is a bad day, so I'm still working on that. The weed journey has been really good. Like I said the last time we spoke, right now my biggest struggle is just, I guess, maintaining my emotions and feelings. I'm just really trying to learn myself again and how to handle my feelings without the weed. You know, it's been getting better. I've been more productive. I got, at this moment, this is probably my 3rd video. I posted one last night, and then I already finished my recent sneaker pickup. No, I lied. I just finished my sneaker collection, my 2023 sneaker collection, and now we got this productive vlog going. So it's been good, you know, like things have been moving. I've been consistent on TikTok, posting a whole bunch of TikToks. When I do get up and get dressed, I've been recording it, because like that's always what blew my TikTok up. People asking like, can you show me how to dress, can you show me how to style this, that, and the third. But my problem is I'm lazy. Don't nobody feel like doing that, one. And then two is like I'm a big second guesser. Like I'd be like, I'm regular, like, you know, like I'd be like, I'm regular, like I don't dress no special type of way or do no special type of thing. So it's like, let's get into the growth though. I ain't gonna lie, if I was to doobie this out, I could have a nice little Chinese bob, right? But yeah, so I've been more productive, I've been more consistent, which we love. Like I said, the weed had me very lazy, but everything all kind of play a part in itself for real. You know, I just want to be the best version of me. I seen JT say that. She said she want to be the best version of her out loud. Like, you know, she could be the best version of her behind closed doors, but she want to be the best version of her out loud. And me too. And it's not to prove to anybody else, but just to prove to myself, like, girl, you the shit. You feel me? I be having to tell myself that, like, stop second guessing yourself, stop doing that. You the shit, you're it, believe it, move like it, you know? And you know what another thing is? When other people see a lot in you and you don't see it in yourself, it's like a weird situation, because it's just like all you do is question, like, what the hell are these people talking about? Like, what do they see? And it's like, not that I don't see certain stuff in myself, because I definitely see stuff in myself. It's just I don't see it to be all worked up, or I didn't see it to be all worked up as, you know, people made it. Now I'm going by the motto of, you gotta think you the shit. You gotta think everything you do is the shit. You gotta think anything you do in your confidence, in your crafts, in whatever you do. I was reading something where it says, you know, you gotta be a little delusional in life, and I just feel like that might just be true. Like, you might just have to be a little delusional, even if in your heart you so goddamn scared and nervous and don't know what you want to motherfucking do. You gotta present yourself as if you got it all figured out, and you know, and all of that. You know, you manifest in the future. Even if you don't got it right now, you manifest in what you want to do and where you want to be and how you want to be and how you want to move. So I'm just trying to find my way. But if I'm able to take summer classes, I'll literally be done with school this fall, and I gotta then start, you know, figuring out what's next for me. And I don't want to wait until I'm done with school to start figuring out what's next for me, you know, because like I always say, and I don't knock nobody that goes to college to use their degree, but I know that I'm not probably gonna use my degree. Great to have a degree, you know, but like I always say, It's just not something that was for me. It was for my parents. And if it was for me, or if I was to ever go back and, you know, masters or whatever, it would be in something completely different and something that I would really want to do. It's just doing stuff for yourself and doing stuff for other people. And, you know, doing stuff for other people plays a big part in the reason why I'm not done with school yet. On top of the fact that I did take a lot of time off of school. But then when I did, you know, come back, I just wasn't into it. Because at that point, it was just like, who am I really doing this for? And I think this semester went so well because I had to start looking at it like that. Like, hey, you keep saying you're doing it for other people, but you doing it for other people is not going to make you finish it. And I had to look at it and say, nah, you're doing this for yourself. You already started something. You need to finish this for yourself. I don't like being a quitter. And I think my comfortability can allow me to be a quitter. Like, it can allow me to run from stuff and not want to deal with stuff no more. And this is just one thing where it's just like I always say, I don't got no choice. I'm finishing this drawing. So other than that, work wise, y'all know I'm a store manager at a sneaker store. And okay, I don't want to say I hate my job. I love what I do because I'm so good at what I do. Like, I've been working in sneaker stores since 2018. I done worked for almost every goddamn sneaker store company. I worked for Finish Line, DTLR, Snipes, Jimmy Jazz. I done worked for the hood. The only hood I ain't never worked for was the foot stores, the Foot Lockers and stuff. Somebody tell me, how the hell y'all be getting in a Foot Locker? Because I could never get in that shit. But I'm very good at what I do, so that's a plus and that's great. But I'm ready for, you know, evolvement. I'm ready to move up. I'm the boss, yes, but I'm ready to be a bigger boss. Like, I want, if I am to stay in a company, I want to be in a bigger position. I don't necessarily want to be a DM. I don't want to be a district manager, but I want to work for like visuals or merchandising and stuff that I like, you know. Like, running a store is cool. I'm just ready to be on to that next step while I'm figuring myself out, because a job is mandatory because I gotta pay for bills. So while I'm figuring stuff out, I'm ready to take that next step. I don't want to be in the stores no more. I don't want to be like front hand in these positions. I don't want to deal with the customers anymore. I really don't. But other than that, life is just repetitive as it always is. I'm just ready for, you know, God to give me something new. Alright, y'all, so I am about to go wash my hair, get in the shower, and then I'll be back to y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm back from washing my hair and everything. So what I'm about to do right now is I'm about to sort through my savings. So how I do my savings, because I suck at saving, like I really did not know how to save before. So how I do it now is I'm a big card swiper, so I take all my money out in cash. I take probably about like 80% of my checkout in cash, and then I put away that 80. I keep some money on my card, and then the cash that I do keep, like, you know, for, I guess, personal purposes, kind of normally always sits because I'm not a cash spender. I'm more of a card swiper. And then I have this little book, and you guys are gonna see where each of it is labeled for, you know, what I'm saving for, and then I just put the cash physically in there. So I'm gonna show y'all that. I already recorded videos of me doing that before, so I'm just gonna insert those videos, but I'm about to go do that again. So y'all. So I'm closing this vlog out. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that shit I always say. And I'm gonna see y'all with the next one. Gonna be a next one soon, I promise.